morning, Lead Bullets for Life here, and I own a BMW 525i, 1995, and when I start the engine up, it starts to, like it chugs and wants to die out. So let me demonstrate for you. So right now it's idling okay. And you see the RPMs jumping up and down a little bit. So when I start, if you look right now, the RPMs are like 1,000. That's not normal. Let's go check the engine out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to see if the airflow meter is the cause of it. So disconnected here. So if you notice, it kind of RPMs, or the engine sound kind of like jumped up a little bit. RPMs are about close to 850. This should be about 750. Okay, shut the engine off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disassemble this section here, and then clean it out, and then replace it to see if that's the cause of the problem. Okay, so we got the airflow sensor meter taken apart. Everything checks out okay here. No gunk inside the airflow meter. But I started to follow this pipe a little bit longer, and look what I find right there. We got a hole in the intake hose that goes to your throttle. So all we gotta do is replace this, and everything should be back to normal. Since you have the airflow meter taken apart, we just go ahead and clean it up with some mass airflow sensor cleaner. It dries really fast. Since I already have it off already, I'll also just take it apart, clean it up a little bit. Dries rapidly. Alright, let's give it a test start. RPMs, right where they should be. I still got the engine check light on. That's gonna have to be checked over by the mechanic. Let's take a look. Wow, wow, quick response. Okay, so replace the intake valve hose, and as soon as I step on the gas, it revs fast. Okay, so that was the problem. Cleaned out the air regulator valve, replaced the air intake hose that goes to the fuel injector system, and I just cleaned up the valve and the butterfly valve that's inside the intake, where the air goes into the fuel injection manifold area. And that was it. Okay guys, this is Lead Bullets for Life. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this helped you out. So if you have a 1995 525i inline 6 and you're having vacuum problems or the engine is starting to stall when you give it the gas, or as you get to high speed, it doesn't shift gears like it's supposed to. It has higher RPM. It could be your vacuum leak, and that was the reason why I was getting such shifting problems on the highway. There was no vacuum air going inside, so I had to increase the RPMs to get the shift. Okay, so like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Lead Bullets for life. You have a happy Sunday. Take care now.